So good morning, I am Bernetta Brenica. I am the Director for Community Extension Services of the University of San Carlos. And you may be wondering why USC is engaged in the well-being cluster. Well, initially, with the many disasters that came to Cebu and to Region 7 and even Mindanao for the last 5 years, it gave an opening. It provided an opening and an opportunity for the university to put up a group and mobilize some volunteers from the University of San Carlos and sending these volunteers to areas. The very first mission that we had was during Sendong. We brought along with us 2 busload of donations to be given to Muslim communities who were very much tragically affected by Sendong. Sendong was followed by Pablo. Pablo was followed by another typhoon, and then Yolanda came, and that I think Yolanda was the last of the biggest. No, it was then that we started the very specific psychosocial interventions, and what we did to ensure that they're not going to depend on our volunteers, and then when we move out, they're down again, was to do capacity building. It's usually 2 days capacity building for local volunteers, and we deployed our faculty from the Department of Psychology, our guidance counselors. And this has been a collaboration of these 2 units within the university. And what we were hoping to actually form is a quick response team for psychosocial activities. The latest we had was the Surigao earthquake. And I mean, talks with the chair of the Department of Psychology as to how we can make this more systematic. Although, whenever there are requests, even from outside of Cebu, we do mobilize a team, at least a team of 8 people to a maximum of 20. Then we provide all the logistics to our volunteers. But one thing that we realized that while doing all of these in times of disaster, in times of normalcy, the need of the same well-being care is also very high. And we noticed this with the increasing number of suicide cases, not only in Cebu, but all over the country. And it's actually affecting the world. And we have many of our students expressing suicidal ideations or thoughts over their social media accounts, even with their teachers. And we have been red flag on students who need to be given extra time and extra care while in class. So we saw that psychosocial intervention should not only be for disaster, although this is the well-being cluster now is trying to formalize and organize that. But we're seeing that even ordinary individuals are very much affected with the stresses and the stressors of life. And one tendency, one pathway is killing oneself. So we're very happy that the Department of Psychology responded to this context. We have here Dr. Cheryl Muli Abellanosa, who will share about a very specific program that the University of San Carlos and Community Extension Office opened last October. And we're happy that the response from the community is remarkable. No? We're meeting and we're gaining new friends because of this program. And we hope that this becomes an avenue as well to disseminate that there are existing programs from different institutions that will help people care for themselves and to care for others. So